Meaning of freight car.
Freight car.
Freight car.
Freight car.
Freight car. A freight car is a type of railway car that is specifically designed to transport goods or cargo. These cars come in a variety of sizes and shapes, and are often used to transport large quantities of heavy or bulky items over long distances. Common types of freight cars include boxcars, flat cars, gondolas, hopper cars, and tank cars. These cars play an important role in the movement of goods throughout the world's transportation networks, and are essential for industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and mining.